Alright, so this is a seat from a 1998 Ford Expedition, Eddie Bauer. It's got the leather seats. And of course, if you're still driving a 98 Expedition in 2023, I'm very sorry, but I am also driving one too. It's my daily driver. You can see the seat is real worn out. I swapped it with another seat that didn't have the bottom all blown out, but both of the seats that I have this cracked armrest, which is just really annoying. It pinches like the edge of your elbow in all those little seams right there, and it just kind of sucks. So I had this idea. I was thinking, you know, only the top side of this armrest is hurt, and then of course the passenger seat, which would be like right here, you know, that isn't damaged at all. So I was like, well, maybe I could swap this armrest with this chair and then swap this one back and then flip them over, because the bottom side is like pristine, you know, it's actually like pretty cushy and everything's okay there. So what I'm going to try to do is, you know, fix these armrests for basically $0. And of course you can go buy like little sleeves that go over the top of this and replace them one by one, but I'm guessing it's likely that the bottom side of pretty much every armrest will be fine. So we're going to go for a quick, easy fix, see if this works out, and hopefully it helps you on your rig. Okay, so now I'm kind of underneath. This is the bottom side of that armrest, and what I'm going to do here is kind of grab underneath here, peel this sucker off of here. Yuck. Alright, and now I got a big star drive here, so we're going to get that bolt taken out. Alright, so it's a T50 bit. Alright, so that's kind of gross. That's 228,000 miles of who knows what there. We'll take it to the bench and get this thing dissected. Alright, so here's the armrest off, and again you can see this is an exactly symmetrical armrest. So what I'm going to do is, this was on my old worn out seat, kind of a proof of concept I guess. Didn't want to tear up my actual seats. I'm going to go dissect those, get the armrests off of those, and get them switched around. Alright, well it's dark now, so I'm not really going to film the same thing over and over again, but basically you want to move the seat forward and then open your CD center console thing, and then you can get access to that bolt and pull these things off of here. Alright, so these are the actual ones that I'm going to use, and it's not terrible, but it's bad enough that I really want to get it redone or flipped around. So first thing I did was I marked them, the passenger and the driver's side, so I'll just do the do-si-do and not get confused here. Just don't get confused, you're going to have to do this twice. So let's get these stripped out. Okay, now that they're stripped, I'm going to flip them over and get them set up right. Alright, well those slipped on really nice. Basically just pull it up to where you had it earlier, because you can't put it all the way on. Of course you gotta get the bolt back in, and we'll go get these babies installed and see how it looks. Well, it's the next day here, and you can see the seat bottom's not perfect, but the armrests sure look great. I hope this helps you out on your project. Again, you know, it's the bottom side of this one's okay, but the bottom side of that one, that's where we put our little bad spot. So nobody will ever know. I guarantee my wife will never know. So thanks for watching. I hope it helps you out.